Next lesson is the social conflict and social control. Social conflict is a struggle for agency or a power in society, and social control is required for the welfare and process of the society. It is required to maintain fears in the mind of the members of the society that if his behavior is not in conformity with the expected norms, they shall be punished. Social conflict and social control. Reasons essential for the social control. For the social control, the essential reasons are stability of the old system, control of individual behavior, uniform behavior, ensures solidarity. Next are the types of social control. First is the direct social control. This type of social control is found in family, schools, neighborhood, primary groups, etc. Here the control is done by teachers, parents, elders. Direct social control. Indirect social control. This type of control is exercised through religion, customs, beliefs, tradition, social surrounding, public opinions, medias. Next is the positive social control. In this case, a person is praised or rewarded for his good behavior. Such positive social control motivates people to develop their skills. Negative social control. In this case, the person fears to commit crimes or wrongdoings. It increases the fear of punishment, fear of boycott. Next is the formal social control. This form is exercised, maintained by the help of law, judiciary, punishment, army, constitution, rules, etc. And informal in this form, exercised by the help of customs, traditions, social norms, and conventions. These are the moral duties. For violation of moral duties, the government is not bound to give punishment. So, types of social control: direct social control, then indirect social control, positive, negative, formal, and informal. These are all types of social control. Then the formal means of social control. In there are three types. Informal. First is the education. Is important for our personality development. Without education, we cannot have knowledge, skills, information about a particular subject topic. In formal means of social control, there are three types: education, law, and force. In law is an essential part to enforce peace and equality in a society. Without the set of laws, rules, we cannot maintain, do the welfare development of the nation. And in force, some believe the force coercion is necessary to ensure the social control, and some believe the non-violence means to be the powerful weapon for the social control. Now, in the informal means, there are three types: norms, custom, and religion. Norms plays as a rules accepted to behave the people within their limits, and the violation of norms would cause to the loss their social status, prestige, peace in society. Next is the custom plays as a limit control on the citizens. It has been followed from the many centuries. And religion is a combination of a custom, norms, folkways, prohibition, etc. It tells us what is right and what is wrong. We should always follow the rituals and rules of religion. Now the agencies of social control. These are all the agencies of social control: family, state, educational institution, neighborhood, public opinion, media and press, economic organization. So family is a informal, neighborhood, public opinion, and media and press. These are all the informal. But the state, educational institution, and economic organization are the formal social control, formal agencies of social control. Next is the social control, social conflict. Social conflict is the struggle for the agency or power in a society. Conflict is defined as a clash between individuals arising out of the difference in a thought, process, attitudes, understanding, interest. A conflict can rise between political parties, individual, countries, states, companies. Now there are five types of conflicts. These are the types of conflict: personal conflicts between individual, family, or friends. Conflicts arise between individuals about the property, money. These are the personal conflict. Racial means conflicts arise on the racial matters like white and black. discrimination done on skin color in places of a workplace, job interviews, schools, college. Then the class conflict. Conflicts arise between the existence of different classes in society, class like rich and poor, literate and illiterate, capitalist and workers, first class, middle class and lower class. Fourth is the political conflict. Conflicts arise during the political elections or politics. For gaining power, political conflicts are raised between the political parties. And the fifth is the international conflict. Conflicts are raised when they don't understand or they don't have the cooperation between them. Example, India and Pakistan are the examples of the international conflicts. Next is the agencies of social control. In formal, there are three agencies: state, educational institutions and economic organization. Now the state. Formal agencies. First is the state. It is the law that acts as a chief agency of a social control, where the state exercises its power to enact rules and regulations. Police, armed force, prisons are the main agencies of a state to ensure social control. Second is the educational institution. Formal education in schools and college imparts values, beliefs and norms. They help in socializing children so that they become law abiding. And third is the economic organization. A member of society has to be employed. His needs and a wrongful behavior may result in his unemployment. Unemployment would further result in crimes. So these were the formal agencies. Formal agencies are state, educational institution and economic organization. In informal, there are family, neighborhood, public opinion and media and press. So family is an important agency of a social control where a child learns to interact with society. Parents teach the child the rules and regulations to be followed in conformity with the social behavior. Neighborhood, a child generally imitates the surrounding and therefore is extremely influenced. Third is the public opinion. A man always likes to be appreciated, at the same time he tries to escape criticism and the public censure. Public opinion has a great impact on his social behavior. And fourth is the media and press. Radio, TV, other press media influence the ideas of the people and also affect the relationship of the ideas of the different groups among each other. So here we have completed the lesson social conflict and social control. Next is the social institution.